The global Latch On takes place at registered locations around the world where women gather together to breastfeed and offer peer support to one another. The global Big Latch On takes place annually over 2 days during World Breastfeeding Week. The main goals of the Big Latch On are to raise awareness of breastfeeding support and knowledge available locally and globally, help communities positively support breastfeeding in public places, help to make breastfeeding a normal part of daily life at a local level. Also, to increase support for women who breastfeed. Women are supported by their partners, family, and their communities. And also to ensure that communities have resources to advocate for coordinated, appropriate, and accessible breastfeeding support services. For more information regarding the Big Latch On, log on to biglatchon.org. When mothers choose to breastfeed, they make an investment in their baby's future. Breastfeeding allows you to make the food that is perfect for your baby. Your milk gives the baby the healthy start that will last a lifetime. And according to womenshealth.gov, there are many benefits to being a breastfed baby, including lower risks of asthma, childhood leukemia, childhood obesity, ear infections, lower respiratory infections, eczema, type 2 diabetes, and SIDS, not to mention the cost-saving measures of a breastfed baby. With this community of women worldwide, the countdown begins for the global Big Latch On 2016, held locally here at Yowell Meadow Park.
I want to welcome everybody today to the 4th annual Big Latch On here at Yowell Meadow Park. I've been a long-time breastfeeding advocate here in Culpeper. I'm proud to work at the first baby-friendly hospital in the state of Virginia, right here in our hometown. I'm so glad that so many of you are here today with us. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all are having a great time. And it's just about 10:30, so I'm gonna count down. When we get there, is everybody ready? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! 1 minute.
Olivia, hey.
If you'd like more information regarding the Big Latch On or any support organizations in our area to promote a healthy mother and baby, log on to biglatchon.org or locally at pinkcocoon.com.